In this video, I'm going to show you how to compress PDF in ABBYY FineReader. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top left when you have your PDF document open, and you want to click on those three lines, and then you want to hover over File here, and you want to click on Reduce File Size. Now, when you do this here, you basically can select the quality. So as you can see, it's going to tell you like how you want it, either best quality, balanced, compact size, or custom. I'm just going to do balanced over here, and then you could do and use MRC compression as well if you want to, and of course that's completely up to you. As you can see, this will only further decrease file size, and yeah, that's basically all you can do. And of course the OCR language should also be selected. I'm going to select English, and I'm going to click on apply, and there we go. As you can see, it's going to start processing everything, and it's going to open up the new file which has been compressed, and you can then go ahead and of course save it as a separate file, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.